Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video, and in this video we will be talking about iOS 14, that is the developer beta 3. And day before yesterday Apple launched the developer beta, and I have installed that on my iPhone 11, and that is 11 Pro. And in this video I'll be sharing my experience with this iOS 14 with respect to the widgets and all what we are getting. And previously also I made couple of videos on iOS 14, and if you want then you can check it out, that is there in my channel. And in this video I'll be sharing my experience with this phone because it's been almost 1 month now and I have been using the iOS 14, and this is running the developer beta, and I know the final version will be more polished and will be having some more here and there modifications, but overall it will be like the similar what you are now getting on the developer beta. So talking about the what are the changes or what are the new features are there, I have already made a video on that, and that is there in the channel. If you want then you can check it out. And the most major upgrade for me, if you'd ask me, then the major upgrade for me is the FaceTime, because this phone I got it from outside India, and the FaceTime was not there in iOS 13. But finally after updating, I don't know till what date or till what time this FaceTime support will be there for this phone, but this FaceTime is there with the developer beta, and suddenly surprisingly I got this and I am pretty happy with the FaceTime. So let's talk about the other things which I found helpful, and means basically what is my experience with this phone. So starting with the widgets, to be honest the widgets are not up to the mark which Android offers you. If you look at here, I know it's still a developer beta and some more widgets and all will be coming in the next updates, but as of now the widget selections or widget categories are very less, and almost those are useless. As you can see, this is the battery widget. Means already if you will go here you are getting the same one as 57%, and if you will go to the widgets you can't do anything. It's just kind of a gimmick or just kind of a visual appearance changes, not anything useful which you can modify or you can see some statistics and all. Those kind of data is not there. So if I'll show you how to add the widgets, if you'll go to this plus button, and you can have multiple widgets over here, and from here you can choose the widgets you want. Suppose I want to select one of the widget, that is clock, and here we'll be getting three options. One is a smaller one, another one is this kind of, and the third one is this one. So if I want to set up this as my widget, then I'll just go to this add widget and it will be added to your home screen, as you can see. So this has been added, but I don't know what is the use of these four clocks. If we look at here, it's already showing the same time, and if we'll go here and you have only the option to customize, or it's only showing the time which you add over here. But I don't still I am wondering what is the purpose of this watch. It would have been great if it will show the other region times in all the four clocks. So I want that update. Like this is showing the India time, as you can see it's 6:15, and the same kind of behavior I want here for the clock faces. So this is one update I really want Apple to push, or I am hoping that in the final one this all update will be coming. And the next is, if you want to add some let's try some couple of more widgets which are there. So let's try this one, this note. It will be also having the same kind of faces or same kind of structure. As you can see here we are getting four kind of structure, and whichever you want you can set it up. We'll go for the big one, and let's try what else we're getting here. So if we'll set it like this, then it will show in the home screen, and I guess all the notes which are there it should show over there. So it's taking them some time I think for syncing and all, but ideally it should show the notes here. Still I can feel means still I can say that it's still there are so many improvement can happen, and we are not sure in the iOS 14 the final public release all this issue will be fixed or something, and some more features we can see hopefully. Because if we'll see the widgets, it's not up to the mark which Android offers you. In Android there are so many customization, and there are no restrictions, like you cannot means here the restriction is like that you cannot place the widgets wherever you want. You have the specific one, I mean specific areas where you can place that, but in Android you can just drag and drop everything, you can customize, and that is a proper kind of widget thing which you are getting. So next update is the double tap or triple tap back feature. That is kind of a gimmick for me. I'm not using that one at all, and means after updating that one I tried for 2-3 times, but after that I stopped using that, and that is also kind of a gimmick for me. Next update is the app library, and here I can say that this app library is kind of helpful, because previously we were having multiple screens like this. You can see I have already disabled those screens. I don't want my home screen to be messed up, so that's why I already disabled all those screens, and I have kept only one where I'm putting my important applications, or which the applications I use the most, those kind of data I'm just putting over here, and the others are there in the app library. And whenever you want, you just go here, and mostly means for 90% of the time whatever you are looking for is already there in this folder. So that is a very convenient feature. If you want to access some of the applications, just go over here and definitely you'll be finding out. I don't know, some mechanism or some kind of logic they have implemented over here, so that it will suggest you the application which you have used the most, or some kind of like some kind of customization they have done, but that is a very good move. And talking about the battery life has kind of improved, I can say, but still I'm testing the battery life because this is not the final one, but still kind of improvement is there which can be done for the battery life. And I'm testing the battery life, and once I'll have a conclusion, I'll definitely update you guys with the new final update for the iOS 14, because still it's the developer beta. So that is for the battery life. And apart from these changes, I don't see any major changes over here. Anyways, iOS 14, yes, we are getting the widgets and all, but still there can be so many improvements can be done for this iOS, because this iPhone is having a bigger screen, but still we don't have any multitasking kind of split screen functionality, though they have implemented the picture in picture, that is kind of video playback you can do when the phone is means if you want to use your phone while watching videos, then you can just play your videos and you can do whatever you want to do. So and the funny thing is that YouTube application doesn't support that. If you want to use YouTube along with your other application, then you have to do one thing: you have to play your YouTube application through the browser, and after that you can do that. Means the browser supports picture in picture, but the YouTube application is not supporting that. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys got an idea about how this iOS 14 and how practical it is. For me, to be honest, I am looking for some kind of multitasking improvements over this kind of gimmick features. That would have been great. Let's see if Apple is fixing that or Apple is implementing that in the upcoming updates. Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, then please share this video with your friends and like this video, and for this kind of videos please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.